Good day. My name is Tinashi Chirume. I would like to present on the Hashdeep tool, which is a tool used for digital forensics. I am doing this recording with the assistance of my teammate Amanda Dure, and this presentation is meant for lab report for ethical hacking and digital forensics course. Hashdeep tool, like I said before, is actually a tool that is used in digital forensics. It is actually a tool that ensures integrity. For example, on a document, if we have a document that we actually require its originality after it has gone through many hands, Hashdeep 2 is there to check for us and identify if there were any changes in the original file. Many organizations would want to check and verify documents during an investigation process. Many people would also want to verify documents during an investigation process. So during this process, text can be altered, numbers can be altered, and at the end of the day, we'll lose integrity of the document. By the time it gets to the courthouse, the document will no longer be in its original form. So for us to just check and to verify, identify any changes in the original document, we can go about the process of hashing. Now I'm going to demonstrate this process on an audit process, a simple audit process, how I can just audit a document if it has been tampered with or not. I'm going to use the Hashdeep tool. We can always get it if we go through the file in our Kali Linux. Under forensics, you actually see the Hashdeep tool. Yeah, you can actually see that there are actually commands that you can run for each process that you want, But for the purpose of this recording, purpose of this exercise, I just want to demonstrate in a few minutes on the audit mode. So let's clear our console. Also, for the purpose of this demonstration, I've added a document, assign text to my folders. We're going to use assign text for this demonstration, and if we open assign text, you realize that it is just a document that shows the details of just a few details: my name, Amanda's name, the money that I'm supposed to be given, the courses, and whatever other detail that is there. So we want to, at the end of the day, we want to change some of the information within this and then test to see if our algorithm can actually detect if we have tampered with the document. So for the first command, we're gonna run hashdeep space assignments text.txt, then we run, and it's gonna give us the size of the document. It's gonna give us the MD5 hash, SHA hash, and the file name. Now the 182 here is actually the size. The MD5 hash is depicted by this second hash here. SHA256 also depicted by this over here, and also the file name as depicted by this command here. So we are now going to save this as our document, right, in its original form. So this is what we're going to use to test authenticity of documents in terms of integrity. So it's just Hashdeep assignment and greater than, let us call our document test.txt. We run the command. You will find that since I've opened this document parallel, this Windows parallel, I just wanted to make sure that you actually see when I run this command, that when I run that command, Hashdeep assignment test, the text, there's a document that came through in the folder. If I open this document, right, this document will contain our hashes that we had when we ran this command. So this document becomes our non-hash document. We know the numbers, so these are the numbers that we're going to use to test the originality of the documents. So this is the document in its original state. So we're going to keep that in our folder and we're going to use that. And what we wanted to test for today, we just want to test for audit trail to just see if the document is changed, and we're just gonna recheck our command to see which command we're supposed to run. We want to run the audit mode, right, which validates a file against non-hashes, and we need to add the non-hash, which is -k. So we're gonna run -a and -k. Our -k is non, which is our test document. So that is our non-hash. We know that document, right? So we want to validate the assignment file based on the test file. So we clear our console and get back to it. We just need to run Hashdeep -a assignment -k dot test. So if everything within the non-hash is the same as what is in the document, there's gonna be an audit success. So as depicted by the results, the audit passed, which means nothing has happened to the document's original form. Now we're just going to simply test for in case when I change something in this document. Let's say I just add is 0 to 6 million. Then let's just save this file so that we can run a test on it again. Okay, so let's run a test on the file the same way that we did, and this time let's see if our Hashdeep can verify this document for us. As you can see, the results came as modified because I actually edited something within the document assignment, and now our hashes from the non-hashes against what the document now is are now different. So Hashdeep will help us to achieve this goal in case where this document goes through a lot of hands and it might be tampered. Thank you very much for listening. Have a good day.